Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add links in Weebly. First, navigate to the page where you want to add a link. We'll cover both text and image linking, ensuring your site visitors can easily access additional content. Understanding these steps will help you create a more interactive and informative website, guiding users smoothly through your content or to external resources. To add a text link, simply highlight the words you want to make clickable. Then, look for the chain icon in the text editor toolbar and click it. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to choose whether to link to an external website, another page on your Weebly site, a file, or even an email address. It's a straightforward process. Linking an image is just as easy. After dragging an image element onto your page, click on the image itself. You'll see a small link icon appear. Click that. Here, you can specify the link destination. For external websites, it's often best to check the Open in New tab option, so your visitors don't leave your site entirely. Always double-check your links after adding them to ensure they work correctly and lead to the intended content. Using clear, descriptive anchor text like "Learn more" instead of "Click here" significantly improves user experience and accessibility. Remember, well-placed and functional links are crucial for a professional website. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, make sure to look for the links in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.